How to check if the Nest Thermostat is compatible with your HVAC system. To see if your HVAC system is compatible with the Nest Thermostat, go to nest.com/works. Select Nest Thermostat. Then select your country. At the Compatibility Checker main screen, tap Get Started. Then power off your HVAC system and remove the cover from your thermostat. The checker will walk you through your wiring configuration to help you determine if your system is compatible. If it is, you're all set and you'll see thermostat recommendations for your home. That's it. To learn more, see our Thermostat Help Center